Hello friends, welcome to News You Can Eat 24. I'm Chef Walter. Since we are all confined in retreats, I thought to share with you a recipe from each region of Italy, one that symbolizes the richness of the Italian regional cookery. Cooking for family is probably the best recipe in times such as these. So let's rediscover together those great recipes that we have shelved away. Italy is a young country in modern terms. It only celebrated its 150th anniversary in 2011. Despite the successful export of the Italian restaurant across the world, the idea of a unified Italian cuisine is something many Italians reject. Instead, they are regional dishes, sometimes with taste as different as you find between countries. We're going to do this in a virtual way, and in every segment we will travel from region to region, offering you the most emblematic recipe of that particular area. One of Italy's most rugged regions is Abruzzo. This segment, we're going to call it Food Tour of Italy, begins with that region, also because it's my birthplace. Here, sheep farming predominates the inland. Meat dishes and cheeses tend to come from that animal. Of course, the region offers a rich seafood cuisine because it faces the Adriatic Sea. The dish that comes to mind growing up that my mom and my grandmother would make very often is agnello cacio. And as you know, food has a lot to do with memory. But in this case, food and religion is fundamental. Lamb with cheese and eggs. So agnello cacio is the translation to lamb with cheese and eggs. Traditionally eaten over the Easter period, since the animal must be young and sheep are born in the spring. The sauce, of course, is made only with cheese made with sheep's milk. And so, as I said, these recipes are going to be virtual. What that means that in this video you will get the listing of all the ingredients, and then you will follow me on my blog to get the complete recipe that you can stamp and follow it till you have a successful dish. And there we go. The recipe for 4 are 2 medium of lamb shoulder, diced about 3/4 of an inch thick, 2 medium onion, diced, 1 1/4 cup of dried white wine, to your choice, 2 cups of vegetable broth or a stock made preferably by you or purchased from a store, but keep in mind that sodium intake, 2 whole eggs. You're going to need 1/3 cup of grated pecorino, make sure it's a good quality. Extra virgin olive oil is mandatory. Marine salt to taste. You can use whatever salt you prefer. However, I stay with marine salt. I like the natural taste and the feel of it. And then chopped parsley to finally garnish the dish. And so those are the ingredients that you're going to be needing. For the complete recipe, www.chefwalter.com, click on blog. In the blog you will have the recipe all listed with a photograph, and you can follow it as easy as 1, 2, 3. And that is News You Can Eat 24 for today. Join us for the next time where we'll travel to another region offering you another spectacular dish. Ciao, ciao.